Clarence and Joe, TNT, Standard Run. It is Saturday, March 25th. You go, okay. Now pay attention, Clarence. You're going to give us a beautiful run, aren't you? Right after you blew off. Yeah. Boy. Oh, good. Joe, you got to keep the head. He's not in it with you today. Got other ideas. He definitely has other ideas, Joe. Okay, I'll do the weave. But I don't guarantee I won't run out. Oh, there we go. Now you got to tell him. Yep, there you go. Oh, buddy. Clarence, you're running random. Good boy. Good boy. Pull it out. No bailing, no bailing. Good boy. Good boy. 52.87.